Good morning and welcome to Fun Fact Friday. Did you know that Americans eat 13 billion hamburgers each year, which is enough to circle the earth more than 32 times? Low-income people eat more junk food than more affluent people. Scientists suggest that extreme economic uncertainty makes it less likely that someone will prepare for a long-term healthy diet. Eating junk food alters the brain activity in a way similar to addictive drugs do, such as cocaine and heroin. A single fast food hamburger can contain meat from hundreds or even thousands of different cattle. 4 out of 5 children recognize the McDonald's logo by the time they are 3 years old, which is before some of them even know their own name. Mothers-to-be who eat junk food during pregnancy increase the likelihood that their children will eat unhealthy as well. Over 1 billion pizzas are delivered in the United States every year. More pizzas are delivered on Super Bowl Sunday than any other day of the year. In Japan, eel and squid are very popular toppings on pizza. Chick-fil-A sells more than 1.64 billion chicken nuggets every year. That would be more than 5 nuggets for each person in the U.S. Eating fast food regularly has the same impact on the liver as hepatitis. French fries, fried chicken, and onion rings are particularly harmful. Pizza Hut uses over 300 million pounds of cheese per year. The number of jars of Nutella sold in a year could cover the Great Wall of China 8 times. Chicken meat is not the main ingredient in chicken nuggets. Rather, the main ingredients are fat, epithelium, bone, and nerve and connective tissue. Fats from junk food trigger the brain to want more food. This effect can last for several days. French fries are not from France. Believe it or not, they were actually made in Belgium in 1876. The word French describes the way the potato is cut before cooking. Did you know that gelatin, the ingredient that makes Jell-O jiggle, is derived from collagen, which is often collected from animal skins? The gelatin in desserts, for example, come from pig skin. Let's see. The shiny covering around jelly beans is called shellac, which is derived from the secretions of the female insect native to Thailand. It's like a beetle. It's really weird looking. Extracted from seaweed, carnitine is often added to chocolate milk to keep the cocoa from separating from the milk. Did you know that pound cake is so named because the original pound cake contained 1 pound each of butter, sugar, eggs, and flour? In the days when many people could not read, this simple recipe was just easy to remember. The Aztecs used chocolate as currency. They also demanded chocolate as tribute from ordinary citizens and conquered peoples. And the term junk food was initially used in 1960 but was popularized during the following decade when the song Junk Food Junkie reached the top of the charts in 1976. And Cracker Jack originated in Chicago and was the first to use toys to target junk food to children. Did you know that the Tootsie Roll is named after its creator Leo Hirschfeld's daughter Clara, whose nickname was Tootsie? It was the first penny candy that was individually wrapped, and during the World War II, Tootsie Rolls were placed in soldiers' ration kits because they could survive the weather conditions. The average American eats over 4 pounds of potato chips a year, and the Twinkie derived its name after bakery manager Jimmy DeWar saw an advertisement for the Twinkie Toe Shoe Company on a trip to St. Louis in the 1920s. They became the best-selling snack cakes in the United States after World War II and appeared in many movies such as Ghostbusters in 1984, Grease in 1978, and Sleepless in Seattle in 1993. And last but not least, on average, Americans consume 22 teaspoons of sugar a day. Most of it is in the form of high fructose corn syrup served in soft drinks and candy bars. So that lets us know we need to watch what we eat and limit our sweets. Y'all have a wonderful weekend.